The Apollo speaker cables from Tara Labs are excellent entry-level high-end audio cables. The Apollo speaker cables feature two 14-gauge AWG conductors, each positive and negative conductor path consisting of 7 8/9 pressure-grouped solid core conductors. What sets the Apollo speaker cables apart from all other speaker cables is their unique construction, which includes Tara Labs' proprietary banana spade module termination known as BSMs. The BSM enables the listener to switch out the included bananas and spades termination. This unique ability enables an audiophile to use their Apollo speaker cables with a variety of different amplifiers and speakers. Every Tara Labs cable is thoroughly tested to ensure it measures up to the highest standards of quality. Tara Labs, unlike anything you've ever heard or imagined.